Let's read the question. Joey is saving for his holiday. He currently has $2,500 and plans to invest it for 15 months. He wants to end up with a total of $3,000. What percentage rate does he need for his plan to work out? All right, so before I can go very far, I really have to think quite hard. I notice there's some different amounts of money in here. I noticed there is something about he has 2,500. He wants to end up with $3,000. So that means he's planning to put his money in the bank and he wants to gain another $500. So he wants to get another $500 to what he already has. And the only way he can do that is through interest. So we don't know, there are a few other kinds of interest, but we only know simple interest. So since it doesn't tell us, we're just going to have to assume we're using simple interest. So we're going to write down I equals P equals R equals T equals. Here we go. So let's have a look at what we know. His interest, the amount he wants to earn is that $500. So he wants to earn $500. He currently has this $2,500. So that's his original amount, his principal. Let's read a little further. He plans to invest it for 15 months. So 15 months is 15 over 12, which is equal to 1.25. So he plans to leave it. And now that is time. So it's 1.25 years. And the question is asking us what percentage rate does he need? So we don't know the rate. All right. So we will go through our process. I equals P T. And we'll substitute what we know. 500 is equal to 2,500 times rate times 1.25. Let's just rub some of this out over here so we don't get confused. So 500 is equal to 2,500 times 1.25, which is 3,125 times rate. We want rate on its own, so we're going to divide by 3,125, which means we divide by 3,125. That will cancel with that. That will leave us with 0.16 equal to rate. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, gee, that's a really low interest rate, 0.16. But remember, in all of our questions, usually our rate is given to us as a decimal. Sorry, it's given to us as a percentage, and then we convert it to a decimal. So what our answer here is, that is our decimal, and we want to turn it back into a percentage. So what do we do to do that? We times it by 100. So we times it by 100, which gives us 16%. So our final conclusion is, therefore, I've moved pages. Therefore, our person needs 16% per annum simple interest, which may or may not be possible.